How's it going, guys? It's your boy Jamie's back here one more time with another video. And as you guys know, the coronavirus is practically killing everyone on this planet. So therefore I decided to make this quick video, actually quick, in-depth, extreme tutorial video that is step by step about how to survive the coronavirus. Because as soon as you step outside, you're just gonna die. So feel free to follow this tutorial to survive. So guys, the first step that you need to do in order to survive coronavirus is not to go outside. So just don't step outside. Second step is to eventually stay in your house and find some kind of closet where you can hide until the coronavirus has fucked off from this planet. So find yourself a closet to hide in. When you're inside the closet, you definitely need to eat or drink something, so get yourself a Sprite or some sort of yogurt, Mueller Corner, whatever, this kind of shitty yogurt. Just get both of them and stick them inside the fucking closet. Thirdly, you need some kind of, let's say, weapon to defend yourself if somebody tries to get into the fucking locker. So get yourself a sharp object. This is very sharp. So guys, the next step is to eventually keep yourself entertained whilst you're in the closet and waiting for the coronavirus to go away. So how can you keep yourself entertained inside the fucking closet? Well, that's simple. Just get, some couple of Legos, like a Batman limited edition Lego and a Nissan GTR Lego Speed Championship, and just build them inside the fucking closet. But now, the most important part of surviving this outbreak is to stay in the closet as long as you can. So don't fucking go outside, because as soon as you step outside, you're gonna die. So do everything to stay inside the closet. Now let's do a quick demonstration of what the fuck I'm talking about. So let's go. Well guys, this is it for this video, and I hope you guys survived the coronavirus and maybe come back to check more videos of me. But yeah, that is it. I hope you follow it thoroughly. And also, this is a quick reminder that as soon as the coronavirus goes away, you definitely have to come out of the closet. And when you're going to come out of the closet, just a quick reminder that you might be, a bit gay. But apart from that, I hope you like this video, so feel free to like, comment and subscribe. And I'm off hiding in my closet so I don't get coronavirus. And if I do, see you never. Adios.